edges. Got some more primer, and I'm gonna primer it up. Also, I think I'm gonna go ahead and dab it up with some more of the seam sealer, because I got another one. This one's all gone, but I'm gonna use some seam sealer, just seam up the little edges, you know what I mean? Better safe than sorry. But god damn, this is looking good. Yee. It's looking real good. Pretty happy. Just gonna have to do something about these wires. I gotta cover them up all together. Gotta protect some stuff, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and remove this liner since I'm not gonna use it anymore. What Josie? Josie's out.
Later, guys. I'm sick.
Oh, coronavirus. Fuck that. He actually does have the corona. Come on, peace out, bro. Yeah, coronavirus handshake. Yeah. Peace.
All right, boy,
I'm gonna slap on the freaking kit. Nah, I gotta drill the kit. I gotta do a little touch-ups on the kit. I'll show you guys probably this week. Damn. Huh. Wide body cuts. Sheesh. This is freaking lit, dude. So show you guys how it really came out. Nice and sealed up. That's first round. I'm gonna go ahead and seal it up again more. I got another one. But yeah, look at this. All done. It's pretty cool that I did have the opportunity to go ahead and wide body this car. Right now it looks pretty jank. You know Mr. Krabs when he doesn't have a shell? So you guys some. You guys know that I do have some for y'all. Where is it? Might just have to wait till next week. Just go ahead and stay tuned for the vlogs. What you think, J-Ro?
Let's get it cracking, man. She's about to be crazy, man. Let's get it.
Yeah, we're trying to go to what is it, Lake 2O?
Yes, sir.
Lake 2O should be pretty lit. Lake 2O, I don't know, man. I'm always running into little problems. Maybe not. I might make it to Lake 2O, but color options. I got a lot of things I want to do that I don't want to spoil. Just we're on a time crunch on things we want to get done. Like this needs a lot of work, and it's going. So we want to know what you guys want to see.
No.
For
man,
real.
Let us know, man. I'm about to tune my shit, get it going. You know what I'm saying? JHM real soon. Stage
2 plus actually, so we'll have some content there. It's another day of vlogging, but the last day of vlogging. I'm gonna update you guys on the car, what I've done, and what's next. Also, show you a few things around here. What's up, you guys? Is that it?
Why, buddy?
I don't know. I'm not trying to work on your car today. Fuck that.
We need to get it fixed so I can dump it.
Hell nah. Where you at though? I'm outside your pad.
Oh shit, are you? Oh shit, those are my power lines. What's good, nigga? Let me pull up.
And as the update goes, damn. Alright, so sealed it up. Seems pretty good. It could dry off a little bit in some spots. I mean, this is like the third day it's been like this, sealed up, so I don't expect it to be really good. This is actually the second day. This is the second day with the seam sealing on, with the seam sealer on. So check it out. Check out my work. Pretty good, pretty good. All right. Not bad, not bad. We'll check out the other side. There we go. Not bad, not bad. So let me know what you guys think. This came out pretty dope. I mean, I don't give a fuck what you guys think. Just kidding, guys. I love you guys. I love you guys' feedback. So check it out. This is the back. Looks pretty dope. Nice and sealed. Not too shabby, not too shabby. I dig. needs to dry up a bit, like I'm saying. But that's it with that. Also, I went ahead and touched up the fender flares, the wide body kit, touched it up, re-drilled new holes. So this weekend we should be doing a few things to the car. You guys gotta stay tuned. Hey, we're working on fitment.
Everybody gotta stay tuned, buddy.
Everybody.
What
they gotta do though?
Hit notifications, hit subscribe,
and wait for vlogs.
Follow.
Subscribing and following is the same shit. That's it. Updated you guys on how it looks, how it came out. I'm really happy about it. This side, it was my first side doing cuts and seams, like I said. It came out alright, not too shabby. Just went ahead and tackled it. You can't be scared sometimes. Sometimes you just gotta go for it and full send it, you know? This side I'm very happy about. Came out really good. Like, I can do this a million times now. Like, this one's a dope one. Anyways, doesn't really matter. It's all gonna be hidden under the car, if you guys know that by now. But let's get going. Let's talk a little bit about Josie's whip, huh? Just know it's gonna be. You're vlogging it though, aren't you?
Nah.
You're not gonna vlog it?
I could.
You could, but I don't think he's gonna vlog it.
I'll ship the shit to you.
No, my miss.
It's not here.
Oh, you got it used, so you do have to clean it up, huh?
Yeah, the guy shipped it with that cam follower, so I already have a new one though, but someone he could wrap it in a little piece of this. That's not good though.
Tell the black.
I don't know if Josie's gonna vlog, but I'll update you guys right here, right quick. We're working on his whip, timing chain maintenance. Yep. So we ran into a few problems, no biggie though. Josie ended up stripping that bottom bolt to the high pressure fuel pump. We tried to retap it, didn't work out. But the good thing is that we tried, and yeah, this is where it sits. You can guess too much.
Yeah.
I already put this on.
Yeah, it's hooked on onto the fucking hose.
Anyways, we're gonna take that off real quick and then get going.
You gotta get a new battery.
Your battery died?
Yeah, my battery's dead. I gotta get some new oil catch can hoses, and I still gotta sand down my my PCV plate.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
A few things to do. Stay tuned on his channel.
Yeah. Let's get it.
Right here. Bloop. And he'll go ahead and show you guys exactly what's going on. This car is the cleanest fucking whip right now. From the whole squad. Huh?
Mine's gonna be the cleanest one.
Ain't no competition out here, cut, but actually yours will be clean actually, because it is red. So
hella clean, dude.
a nice red car will be dope.
Slam it, put some coils, put some clean rims.
I need coils, man.
We all need coilovers. Where are my coilovers at though? Moment of truth, guys.
Moment of truth.
Do you think it'll turn on?
I hope so. We just finished the timing chain, put everything back together. Now we're gonna find out.
Go, go, go.
Let's see. It's been, what, 2 months, Tita?
It's been a while, like 2 months.
Maybe 3. I don't know why the beeping's still going. My car battery, my car thing, man. Damn, what a difference. You guys remember that ticking? Oh shit, this is your channel. Do you guys remember the ticking now?
If you guys go to his channel, He has big ticking noises. Now, nothing.
Now it's normal, dude.
What ticking cuff? Timing chain tensioner done. Now, who knows? Who knows what's next?
Weak ass phone start. Making big moves over here, guys.
Vlogging real soon.
Vlogging too. I've been vlogging days. And shout out to Tito for coming through. Best Audi mechanic in town. Get at him, boys and girls.
This thing running like butter.
Yeah, so far so good.
So far so good. Yee! Feels good. You know it's good when there's no check engine light.
Yeah, boys, you know the vibes. You know the vibes.
I'm out here in the middle of the road. This is Mexico. That thing's freaking wild. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Keep it the movement and stay lit, man. It's behind the scenes. What happened? The battery? Yeah. Once I saw all the lights turn on, I was like,
Let me see that 9.
Let me see. It doesn't hit. Oh, here, pull it out. Shit. Put it in. There you go.
That should get me home.
This guy over here did not tighten up that one bolt and came off.
Oh shit, boys, that time my car fucked up, dude. ABS dying. Alright, let's get the road, boys.
Alright, well, I think that's gonna cut it. See you guys till next time. Hasta luego. Stay lit, fam. Adios.